My video guide will provide you with detailed recommendations that will help you to get rid of the fake Chrome update alerts that come from the website Loadprogressiveoverlytheproduct.vip. Loadprogressiveoverlytheproduct.vip. This is the website that tries to encourage customers into downloading and installing some browser extensions. This website is presented sometimes as a fake browser update alerts. It tries to trick you into thinking that your browser lacks something important. For instance, here it says that people need to install some ad blocker extension or some other type of extension that is crucial, but all this information displayed by Loadprogressiveoverlytheproduct.vip is absolutely faulty and deceptive. If you start interacting with these pop-ups and if you download or install anything that they suggest, that's a crucial mistake, and because of that your browser may be infected with third-party browser extensions that may change a lot of crucial browser settings. In the light of this fact, we strongly urge you not to interact with these pop-ups and not to install anything that they suggest. Now, you should carefully research the list of your available browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, then Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, you need to carefully get rid of them. Make sure you delete all these third-party extensions that are not familiar to you, or at least disable them. I would also strongly advise researching your device with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but there are certain free features. For instance, in this version for Mac, there are free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. And even with these 3 free features, the program Combo Cleaner will help you to essentially optimize the performance of your Mac computer. Also, of course, there is the version of Combo Cleaner for Windows computers. When you visit the site combocleaner.com, you may select the appropriate version, but in fact, the website will be able to detect automatically what version you need. So, Combo Cleaner would first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. The update of the antivirus database might take several minutes, depending on how fast your internet connection is, and of course depending on the volume of the update. After the antivirus database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner antivirus will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. While the program gets updated, of course, you could pay attention to the list of your available applications. Sometimes the adware may be openly mentioned in the list of your applications. So if you find something unfamiliar, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of any adware that you might locate here. Therefore, remove any items that are not familiar to you. I have already explained to you how to remove third-party extensions from the Google Chrome, but Combo Cleaner works very well to detect and delete any other hidden threats which could still remain on the system. So, after the antivirus database is properly updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system, and it will help you to locate all sorts of possibly hidden threats like adware, malware, browser hijackers, third-party browser extensions, and more serious malware, including ransomware, which mainly targets Windows computers, of course. So the scanning will then begin, and you might find out that some of the threats were already revealed. At the end of the scan, you may click on Review Results button. You'll be able to know the locations of threats, and we recommend that you remove them automatically by upgrading to the premium license of the software.